Good morning, student. Today will be study of class second subject English language. Your book name is English grammar and composition. Now will be start chapter 1. Chapter 1 title is the letter, words and sentence. Letters. There are 26 letters in the English language. These letters are arranged in ABC order, known as alphabetical order. We can write them in capital and small letters. Capital letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Small letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Vowel and consonants. The English alphabet is divided into two groups, vowels and consonants. First, vowels. There are 5 letters in English alphabet are called vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Consonant. There are 21 letters in English alphabet are called consonants. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. When two or more letters joined together to give some meaning is called a word. Any such letters which are jumbled and do not convey any sense or meaning are not words. A word contains 1, 2 or more letters. For example, man, river, tree. Elephants, orange, uniform. Sentence. A sentence is a group of words that has a complete meaning. It always starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. A question mark of an exclamation mark. A sentence always has an action word. Also, for example, is the duck swimming? This is a crocodile. A sentence always starts with the capital letters. So use the first letter capital to start a sentence. Rohit is an intelligent boy. The car has 4 wheels. The monkey is on the route. A sentence that makes a statement always ends with a full stop. That is, this is a cow. She gives us milk. Sachin is a boy. He is a singer. A sentence that asks a question ends with a question mark. While asking, inquiring for question about something, end. End the sentence with what is your name? How old are you? Where do you live? Now complete your lesson. Your homework is read lesson 1.